Today we have a leak at a hospital sink directly at the faucet. Most hospital and commercial sinks are disgusting, as you know, so today we're going to repair this. Please begin by shutting off the water, as it is imperative to your success on this repair. Next, we'll remove the sink handles. There are many different types of these, but they are all pretty explanatory on the removal process. After that, we get to the cartridge, and most of these are pretty caked up because of hard water and debris. You're able to remove this with a channel locks or a wrench, whatever you prefer. This is how the cartridge looks when it is removed. It's a simple device that when you twist it allows water to come through and come out your spout. Don't forget to save that cap because you'll have to put it on again. A lot of times the older cartridges are no longer made, however you can look on the website of that company and they will be able to tell you what matches it. So today we're going to be using a new Kohler cartridge. And after our beautiful install, the sink still leaks. That usually means that where the cartridge sits inside has some damage, allowing water to bypass it and continue to leak. So lucky for us, we get to replace the entire sink. So today we're going to use this kit by Moan, and hopefully it'll be an easy install. Make sure that the new faucet kit that you use is the same length as the old one between the two handles so that it fits into your sink properly. Removing an old faucet does get difficult at times. It'll be dirty. You might have to use a sawzall or a hacksaw, but we'll get through it. Once the old faucet is out and the sink is cleaned up, the new faucet should slip right in. A little plumber's putty underneath the main faucet will keep it sealed and water from getting under there. Then you can tighten everything up, clean away the extra putty, make sure everything is secured. Our kit came with this aerator tool, so this will allow us to tighten that aerator because from the factory it comes loose and has little dripping issues. So once it's tightened up, it'll all be good. Now to see what's next.